S185 Professional 5G GPS Drone with 2.7K HD dual camera and 3-axis gimbal. 360 degrees obstacle avoidance, touchscreen remote, long-range FPV. Take your aerial photography and FPV experience to new heights with the S185 Professional Drone, a feature-packed powerhouse designed for precision, stability, and stunning visuals. Equipped with an advanced 3-axis gimbal, true 2.7K HD dual cameras, GPS return, and 360 degrees laser obstacle avoidance. This drone is built to deliver professional-grade performance while remaining beginner-friendly. The S185 offers 2 remote control versions tailored to your flying preferences. The standard version features a built-in data screen and 5G Wi-Fi transmission, while the upgraded version boasts a large 5.5-inch HD touchscreen, a pre-installed 32GB memory card, and superior relay Wi-Fi for more stable, longer-distance FPV streaming up to 6 km. Key features and functions: true 2.7K HD dual camera, no compression, capture ultra-clear aerial photos at 4096 by 3072 and record smooth videos at 2560 by 1440 resolution. With no digital compression, your footage retains its original quality. 3-axis PTZ gimbal with ICE stabilization. Enjoy buttery smooth footage even during sharp movements or windy conditions. The electronic image stabilization, ICE, and mechanical gimbal work together for cinematic video output. 360 degrees laser obstacle avoidance. Equipped with front, left, and right laser sensors, the S185 actively avoids obstacles during flight, making it safer to fly in complex environments or for beginners. Brushless motors for power and longevity. Highly efficient brushless motors reduce noise, improve flight power, and extend the drone's lifespan with minimal maintenance. 5G Wi-Fi and relay transmission. Upgraded version. Experience ultra-smooth, real-time FPV with minimal latency. The upgraded controller uses relay Wi-Fi for extended signal range and real-time 720p video transmission up to 6,000 meters. GPS auto return and safety functions. Never worry about losing your drone. Built-in GPS return to home triggers on low battery, signal loss, or manual command, guiding the drone safely back to its launch point. Dual-mode camera switching. Switch between the front camera and the bottom optical flow lens for flexible shooting angles, whether it's forward flight or top-down landscape photography. Compact and foldable design. Folded down to a portable 16x9x11 centimeters, and unfolded to a full 32x27x11 centimeters. Perfect for carrying to any shoot or adventure. On-flight time and remote range. Powered by a 7.4 volts 2200 mAh battery, the S185 offers up to 25 to 30 minutes of flight time per charge. Fly confidently with a control distance of up to 3 km, and a return-to-home distance of 1.5 km. What's in the box? One S185 GPS Professional Drone, 1 remote control, standard or touchscreen version. 1 7.4 volts 2200 mAh lithium battery, 1 USB charging cable, 1 screwdriver, 4 spare propellers, 2 user manuals. 1 storage package, depending on bundle. Upgraded version includes 32GB SD card. Technical specifications. Camera 2.7K HD dual camera, no compression, gimbal 3-axis PTZ plus ICE anti-shake. Obstacle avoidance 360 degrees laser, front, left, right, transmission range up to 6 km, relay Wi-Fi, upgraded only, flight time 25 to 30 minutes. Remote distance up to 3,000 meters control, 1,500 meters RTH. Charging time 2 to 3 hours. Folded size 16x9x11 centimeters. Unfolded size 32x27x11 centimeters. Drone battery 7.4 volts 2200 mAh Li-ion. Remote battery 3.7 volts 1200 mAh rechargeable. Flight altitude up to 800 meters. Ideal use cases: professional and hobbyist aerial photography, long-range FPV flight, high-end tech gift, adventure vlogging, commercial use, real estate, surveying.